Hi, this is Andrea from Wise, and welcome to our channel. Here you can find quick and easy guides on how to use our great products. Oh yeah, did you know that Wise is not just for sending money? Wise is much bigger than it was 12 years ago with a whole bunch of exciting features that make managing international finances easier. We already posted a video about how Wise helps you send money transfers to 70 plus countries. The link is in the description. But today we're here to talk about the rest of the Wise account. Hold more than 50 separate currencies in one account, spend that money using a debit card or a digital card, and get account details to receive euros, dollars, pounds, and more. All of these features can take your international money management to the next level, especially if you live abroad, if you have family or friends abroad, or travel. Let's break it down. But if you're ever unsure, don't worry. We've got a link in the description to our blog so you can follow along. I'll refer to it when I mention the region-based information so you can check what is applicable to your country. Now let's get into it. First, what actually is a Wise account? Well, it's the set of features designed to simplify your experience of keeping, spending, and receiving money in different currencies. Just imagine that in one app, you can have more than 50 separate currencies, and depending on your region, a bunch of them come with the opportunity to get account details too. It means that, for example, when you get US dollar account details, you can receive US dollar payments from banks and other Wise accounts there with no need to convert currencies. The blog post covers more information on that, together with the relevant list of all the countries where you can order the Wise debit card. Before you travel, you can order the Wise debit card, top up the balance, and quickly convert to the currency of your destination. This will help you to save money on conversion while being abroad if you're making card payments or withdrawing money from an ATM. And these are just some of the use cases, but how do you set it up? That's easy. Let's assume you've already registered with Wise, and if not yet, go to wise.com from the description, or download the app from the App Store or Google Play, or use the QR codes to access them quickly. We'll put these links in the description too. Now you've got an account and the app, let's open your first balance. How much does it cost? It's free. Let's say you want to open it in US dollars. Open the app or follow the same steps on desktop, click on plus icon and choose what you want to open, either a balance or a jar. Right now we're talking about a balance, so that's what you need to click. Next, select the currency and that's it. Now you have a balance in this currency. Click on it and you'll see the available actions: adding money, conversion, sending, and receiving transfers. It's that simple, and you can repeat for as many currencies as you need. Just double check that Wise supports the currency first. For example, you can choose one of the currencies like pounds, US dollars, euros, or any other. Click on Add and top it up. Once finished, it means you could have 100 pounds, $100, and 100 euros all held separately in your Wise account. Pretty handy if you need to use multiple currencies day to day. If you want to receive payments into your Wise account in a particular currency, you will need to get account details. So now we'll move to this part. Account details are not something that you get with every currency, but we're always working on adding more. Depending on your region, you may be able to select around 10 currencies like US dollars, pounds, euros, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Canadian dollars, Hungarian forints, and some others. Check out the full list in the blog post that I mentioned before. So click on Get Account Details from one of the currencies that have it and follow the verification steps. Why is it necessary? Well, this allows us to keep everything safe and follow regulations. Wise is a financial institution and we have a regulator in each region we operate in. For example, in the UK, it's the FCA. So we have to go through the same verification process you'd expect from any financial company. But rest assured, your data is encrypted and kept private. If it's the first time you're getting account details, we'll ask you to top up a balance. That simply means adding some money into your own account. The sum is around 20 pounds or equivalent in your currency depending on the region. The money is yours to keep, it will be in your balance, and you can use the money right after we verify your account. And to make your Wise account experience complete, you can also order a Wise debit card if located in one of the many eligible countries. I guess you'd love to have all your currencies in one card, right? So click on the card tab in the app or on desktop and choose to order your card. We'll ask you for a delivery address, the way you want your name to appear on the card, the PIN code, and next, for most countries, there is a one-time fee for a number of payment methods. Remember that scenario from earlier where you have 100 pounds, $100, and 100 euros in your Wise account? Well, now, if you want to buy something for $50 with the Wise card, we'll automatically deduct the amount from your US dollar balance because no currency exchange is needed. But if you want to buy something for $150, we'll automatically pull the first $100 from the US dollar balance and then make up the extra $50 by converting whichever currency gives you the best rate. Clever, huh? At the moment of recording this video, the cost for the card is around £7 or €8. By the way, we also started offering an eco version of it with handmade packaging and plastic made from renewable organic resources. But this is limited edition and it's not available everywhere just yet. The Wise card is likely to become your best friend when traveling, and one of our following videos will be all about how you can use the card in real life. So make sure you hit the bell to turn on notifications. Oh, and you can get digital cards too. These are free and provide you with even more security. You can add them to Apple Pay, Google Pay, and use them for online purchases. How do you get one? Again, go to the Cards tab in the app or in desktop, select Get a Digital Card, and hit Confirm. That's it. As you see, the steps are easy. But if you need more details, check the blog post about all the topics we mentioned in the description and watch the other videos we made for you. Wise account is available for businesses too, but we'll cover that in a separate video on another channel. And on this channel, we'll keep publishing videos designed to give the broadest perspective on all our features for personal accounts. So you can consider subscribing to stay tuned. Got any questions left? Absolutely fine. Feel free to leave the comments and we'll get back to you there. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!